The Sea Shore. Written and illustrated by M.E. Eldridge. On the grey stones where the wild thyme and sea campion grow, the whittier displays the patterned feathers of his tail. The oyster catcher has laid her eggs near the samphire. The ringed plover makes her nest among the colored stones, so that no one can find it. The pink sea thrift is in full flower, and the short grass near the kittiwake colony is blue with the flowers of the spring squirrel. Sea holly and sea convolvulus grow in the sand, where the black-headed gulls in the summer rays swim close to the shore, above the sea urchins and starfish. The oyster catcher can open mussel shells with its strong red beak. In the rock pools, there are starfish and sea anemones and shore crabs and small fishes. The puffins like to stand in groups and look out to sea. In autumn, there are grey seal pups on the beach, and shells and carrageen and mermaids' purses are carried ashore by the rough waves. When there is frost and snow, birds from the moors and the hills, curlew and lapwing, gather on the shore.